Morning, boys. How we doing? Where is the fucking YouTube chat, boys? Where the fuck is the fucking YouTube chat? Where the fuck is the fucking YouTube chat? That's the question I want to know, considering I just fucking added it. That's the question I want to fucking know. Is it gonna load or is it gonna be a cunt? You take your fucking guess. I think it's gonna be a cunt. Oh, and it is being a cunt. There we go. What we saying, boys? Fucking hell. It's hot this morning. What are we saying, boys? What is everyone saying? What is everyone saying? How are we? Let me know what pairs we're looking at, what pairs we're looking for. The market's opened really weird today. Definitely fucking weird. We don't normally see this type of market, although, I mean, recently it has been a little bit touch and go, but the main thing is just, get rid of that. The main thing is just EU and GU not aligning whatsoever, not even in the slightest, which is kind of common recently, but still is fucking shit to trade. I'm looking for the market to go higher. To be honest, I want us to come higher into this fair value gap. I don't think there's much for us to the downside. We've had this rally for our Asia session. We haven't broke this Asia low. I think we need to trade out of this New York session. So we're going to either take the higher, move lower, or take the lower, move higher. Right now, it looks more likely that we take the higher. So I think that the London session is potentially just going to move upwards, and then we'll reverse later on. But it's not clear at all, boys. I'll be honest, it's not clear at all. It's really not clear. Again, you want us to just sort of move up in this direction, but whether we do that, we'll see. DXY, yeah, you can't take too much from, to be fair. I know we've got a lot of kind of CRT-ish candles, but even that, you can't really take that too much because we've had so many of them that have just done nothing. There's this one didn't do nothing. This, you know what I mean? There's way too many. But yeah, that does slightly aid my bullish bias. But I mean, I'll be honest, it's not. It's nothing. It's here. It's nothing. It's nothing. It's nothing. There's not really much you can gauge from this, boys. No matter what time frame you see, whatever you look at, there's nothing you can really gauge from this market whatsoever. Not really anything. Let me know what you boys are seeing for the DXY, but as I said, there's not really, in my opinion, anything at all you can really gauge from it. We're just seeing price sort of accumulate within this DXY move down that we had yesterday. Same really if we look at the other pairs. We had the move up. Seems like we're mitigating it and moving down. We'll see what we do. We'll see what we do. Let's get rid of this. Because as we said, we are favouring sell. I mean, yeah, buys on DXY, so sells on here. We've had that second grab, which is nice. You could potentially, wait, let me get my face cam on and shit. We've had that second grab, which is nice. Again, I think we're going to have to come in deeper to rebalance this leg. This is the leg that we're seeing. It's the leg we're seeing. I know on the 1 hour we filled it. But yeah, it's looking more like we want to come down further and rebalance it. The market's moving very, very quick today. Very quick. To be fair, this is the first bit of momentum we've really had. But yeah, right now it is moving very, very quick. Very quick. And again, like I said, there's not really too much we can gauge from these markets. For me, this has probably been the worst day there's been so far this week, by a decent while as well. This is a very bad day, in my opinion, for price action. A very, very bad day. None of our pairs are lining up. EU, GU, DXY. Not a single one of our pairs, boys, is lining up. What's happened to that GU? Not a single one of our pairs is lined up, boys. You got to remember that. GU, obviously already taken the Asia low. So yeah, the market's pretty dead right now, boys. Pretty dead. There's not many trades to be looking for. Our strategy's still working, but okay, I'm seeing people saying they hit SLs. Yeah, I'm not really too sure what you hit SL on. I'm assuming actually EUs, to be fair. As I said, I would have gotten this one, but only reason I didn't is because, like we said, on DXY, we're just favouring the buyers. We're just favouring the market, just make its way up. So, obviously, ideally, on other pairs, you want sells. Not really got a drop of sells yet on GU. We had that fucking... Not a drop, sorry, I mean a retracement. We've had the drop, we haven't had the retracement. Which is going to be what we're looking for, to be fair. We tapped on that daily troper now, but we know we should come to that Asia low. So we'll see if we have a big rally like this and then a move down. But it's unlikely, boys. It's unlikely. It's unlikely. Most likely is we don't get a trade today, to be fair. That is the more than likely occurrence. Let me turn this fucking face cam on. Get some tunes on as well. More than likely, boys, we're gonna have no trades today. We'll still see because we might have some moves, we might have some decent moves to catch, but as of right now, there is not anything for us to look for. Obviously, tell me in the chat what you man are actually looking for. Again, I don't know why this isn't on my For You page every morning. I listen to it every single day at the same time without fail. I've never gone a day without listening to it. Not one day have I gone without listening to this song at this time. And it still doesn't put it on my recommendations. And America's wondering why China's beating them up in every metric. Look at the Chinese fucking algorithm compared to the American one. China would know that I listen to this even though I don't listen to it on their app. Let alone fucking anything else. Yeah, let me go live on TikTok as well. Let's go live on it. Again, we can see the age of liquidity is working though. We can see, you fucker, you cunt. Oh, you dirty cunt. Oh, that's just gone even fucking worse, man. Fuck. I've just banged it and it's fucking knocked over. Oh, you dirty cunt, man. You dirty, useless cunt. Fuck you, bruv. Look, I got this to hand. Just fucking spilt coffee everywhere, bruv. But yeah, boys, this market's shit, man. This market's fucking terrible. No alignment whatsoever. When the markets aren't aligned, how can we really be expected to trade it? Because we can't really trust the price action. If we know that EU and GU is meant to align and they're literally doing the carbon opposite, how can we even trade either one? Especially when the DXY is not even aligned with either of them either. It's sort of aligned with GU, but not perfectly, I'll be honest. Bro, set it right hook. Yeah, bro, it deserves to get fucking banged. Alright. Yo, people, what we saying? Let's fucking get this TikTok going. You send the link in. Oh, bro. Boys, what a fucking horrid morning. I've had a horrible morning. I don't know about you lot. I've had a horrible morning. I've got a terrible night's sleep. A terrible night's sleep. A terrible morning when I woke up. And the markets are damn right poor. So I'm having a really shit morning. The shittest morning I've had in ages. I want nothing more than to pick this monitor up, put my fist through it and then throw it out the window. But I'm a full-time trader, so I can't do that. Because if I do that, then I fuck up everything that I've done for myself. So I'm going to have to sit here and pretend to enjoy it while I secretly fucking despise it. So let's go. Why can't I share my live? Why can't I share my live, boys? Let's go. Let's fucking go. I really hate trading these markets, boys. Oh. Really hate it, man. If I weren't on stream, I would not be... Mate, I would not be... Well, I mean, I would be looking at it, but... Alright. Let's go. Let's start trading these markets then. Let's fucking actually start trading it, because... Man... Boys, double tap the screen, like the screen. Is the announcement sent? Because fuck me. Bro needs his lemon. Bro, I bear do. I just realised actually bear do. I had one every morning, the one I haven't had. I'm pissed off this morning, man. Bare pissed off this morning. That's what it is. Yeah, I mean, we filled this now. I'm gonna go get a lemon, man. I'm gonna go eat a lemon. Boys, run up the TikToks. Run up the TikToks. Run up the TikToks, run up the YouTube. Boys, I'm gonna go get a lemon and eat that shit, because I can't do this. I can't do this. What we saying, people? I ain't got time for the fucking... Oh, mate, I'm lagging already, bro. Oh, come on, man. Come on. Oh, come on, bro. My laptop's been open for 2 fucking minutes, man. 2 fucking minutes my laptop's been open and we're already lagging, bro. Fuck's sake, man. Brother, I got this little bit of pill won't come off. Come off, you cunt. Oh, shit. No. Let me pause it, bro. But look, I've got fuck. Oh, my God, bro. I'm actually going to fucking... You're going to fucking kill someone this morning, bro. Holy fucking shit. Holy fuck! Fuck me, bro. I can't do fucking anything this morning without bad luck. Holy fuck. There is zero chance of me entering a trade, I tell ya. In a million years am I entering a fucking trade, bro. Holy fucking shit, mate. What a fucking shit morning, bro. Fucking hell, man. What a fucking load of bollocks, bro. What a fucking load of shit. What a load of shit, mate. Fuck it, I'm not even going to do the song and the dance, fuck it. I've eaten it, but I can't get this fucking... Fuck it, bro. I'm gonna have to eat it. It's literally the fucking skin, bro. I can't eat. I can't eat the skin of this shit, man. Fucking horrible. I do, bro. I fully shut it down every time. Fully shut it down every fucking time. Oh, mate. Did you get a lemon when you hit SL? Nah, bro. I eat them every morning. Oh, God. You just shut the lid. Nah, I don't, bro. I bet I don't. I restart every time. Alright, Stu, you fucking know, dear. Right, guys, seems like Stu knows more about my laptop than me, so we'll let Stu do the live today, boys. We'll let Stu do it from the comment section. Fucking hell, man. At least GU's coming up. That's the one good thing. This TikTok account is overly washed. What we saying, boys, on this TikTok? Run up. If you're on this TikTok, double tap the screen, boys. Share the screen. Share the live. If you're here on TikTok, who you got? Corey, what you saying, bro? What you saying, Corey? Chat, if I missed any comments, I'll be real. I'm not fucking scrolling up, so just comment them again. I ain't scrolling up for that shit, mate. It's just gonna lag it even more. Fuck it, actually, I'm gonna. Boys, carry on sharing the screen. If you're on TikTok, let's get 100 man in here. Share this fuck out of the live, boys. Share the screen. Oh, mate. Everything about this morning is just bad. Every single thing about how this morning has gone has just been bad. Bad. So let's fucking turn it around. Looks like Lewis had a bit of lemon this morning. That lemon's actually fucking helped, to be fair. I felt even worse before, but anyway. Let's see what the fucking chat's saying. Boys, in terms of EU, quickly, don't trade EU. GU, don't trade GU unless you're selling. Yeah, none of the pairs are looking good, boys. Literally none of them, I can't lie. It's kind of peaked this morning. But yeah, this is the worst day we've had so far, so you sort of want to leave it. Even this, like, we look like we should reverse now. But we're just not going to, are we? Let's be honest. So, yeah. There's not really much we can take from these markets. Higgs, what you saying, mate? V-Got, what you saying, mate? Ryan, El Slapo, Tommy, Blue. Bigfoot, Knitbag, what you saying? Sesame, yo. One Step, yo. What you saying, Mehmet? One of those days, gents, market being dead. Yeah, trust me, bro. Morning, Trap. Morning, Black Drift King. Morning, United. Nathan, Chris, what you saying? Dan, what you saying? One Step, your dad. EU Long. Right, people's looking at EU Longs, yeah. Got Zods on EU. Unlucky, bro. Have a lemon. Yeah, I munched that. Bro needs his lemon, trust me. Lately, they've been displaced and giving orders. Yeah, trust me, bro. Just sent in the chat. I was in the cell on G, but got stopped out. You was in the cell. How did you get stopped out on the cell? Oh, this cell. Morning, Lou. Got SL with a 0.2 pip away from our stop loss and straight to TP within 20 minutes. Livid, man. Would have been done by 8. Unlucky, bro. Unlucky. At least you're doing the right things, though. You only missed out by a little bit. Are you on TikTok too? Yeah, bro. I'm on TikTok. Boys, double tap the screen if you're watching on TikTok. Let's get 50 man in here real quick. Everyone double tap the screen. Everyone share the screen. Let's get 5k likes, 50 man in here real quick, team. Rise up. Everyone in this live, rise the fuck up. Rise up. Who invited me to go live? Fuck it. Let's talk to this guy. No, actually, I don't want to go live with you. Sorry. Hit an SL after an awful day. The price, paying for the price for forcing it today. Yeah, trust me, bro. Yeah, you don't want to force it on days like today, boys. I'll be honest. You really don't want to force it. The only thing that I'm seeing is GU shorts. It's the only thing you really want to see. Everything else is just not nowhere near good enough. I mean, you look at these EU buys. I'll plot out EU buys because we have taken the low, right? So I'm still going to mark out what we potentially want. But in terms of what we've seen, there's nothing here. So another awkward thing is the swing high is actually here, not here. So a lot of people would say the high is here, which sort of fucked you. Because then you're waiting for, people will think that's a break. That's not a break. That's just a retracement up for this high. And then we're going to sell off. So yeah, nothing really confirming anything to us today. Is anyone trading EG today? Anyone trading EG? Let me know. Yeah, we keep rejecting off of this, but it looks like we're due to close below it pretty soon. We're sort of retesting on it and rejecting. You can see on the 5 minute, the fair value gaps, we just fill in these internal fair value gaps and order blocks, and then just move into the downside to take out lows. So I do think that price is most likely going to take the low out more than anything. Boys, what did you think of my most recent YouTube video as well? Make sure you drop a like on that. I had GU shorts from Asia Sweet, but SL hit. Fair play, bro. It's unlucky. You would have got stopped out for a bit and then run to your TP. Oh, bro, I went B on EU and it stops me out. This runs my TP. Unlucky, bro. Negative today, lad. What do you mean, Corey? TGR 2.0. When you properly mean shut it down. If you just shut down the lid, yeah, laptops don't do that. I'm talking to Thanos. I know, bro, but I never do it. I never do it and it starts lagging too. Who talking to like that? I'm no fucking kid. I'm not a fucking kid. What do you mean who you talking? Who are you talking to like that, bro? Who the fuck are you talking to like that? GU sell so clean. I'm targeting the 30 min demand zone from London session. EU sell even better. Euro week. Yeah, DXY is going to fill the gap too. Morning, Lou. Morning, bro. What you saying? What are you saying? Oh, yeah, what are we saying? I'm currently at 1.5k, lovely. Did you take the GU short? Nah, bro. I ain't got anything today, I'll be honest. I ain't got nothing today. Bloody Greeks, so lazy, yeah. They love their little siestas, don't they? My pussy stinks. Fair enough. Yeah, boys, you just be waiting for a retracement today, I'll be real. Gee, you can't up them so quickly. Yeah, trust me, bro. Trust me. That's what I'm saying, bro. It was literally the only move of the day. All come at once. Which IFEG? I don't want to retrace after I enter. Bro, I'll be honest. Just don't enter today, boys. Just don't get in a trade today. We're really watching it to see how the market plays out. There's no need to place a trade. The market conditions just shit. Market conditions just shit, bro. The only IFEG would be that 5 minute I'll be looking to take from. That's the only thing. Everything else today is just dead. I was trying to enter on MT5, but it dumped too fast. Yeah, I know. It's annoying, bro. You can still see what we're trading's working, though, to the T, really, but it's just moving too quick. It's 9 AM and I'm trying to find a setup, and I can smell that. Like, wait. No, like, my girl's not mine. I don't know how to tell her, though. I need help, bro. It's 9 AM. I'm trying to find a setup, and all I can smell is that. Like, what the fuck? What's your bird's Instagram? I will tell her on stream. Give me her number or Instagram or something, and I'll call her. Pineapple juice. Nah, she's gonna need more than that, bro. Your bird stinks. I was trying to enter on MetaTrader 5, but it dumped too fast, yeah. Due as a 10-minute IFEG. Yeah. It's just annoying, man. We want to come up, but I don't think we will. I really don't think we will. It's just, we've had that massive expenditure of momentum. So now it's unlikely that we have any more, to be fair. Like, it's just a huge drop already. So we need another retracement and then that same thing. So how many pips do we really need? We need another 10 to fill that, which is not too much. But then another 20 odd or 20 to break the low. So is that going to happen or not? Is the question. What's the name of the indicator? It's our own one, bro. You can join the Discord and I'll send it to you. Join the Discord and I'll send it to you. Let me turn the fucking Discord label on. Alright, let's see this girl's fucking misses then. Billy Lou. Okay, so you're chatting shit. BillyLou.com did actually. Billy Lou Merriweather. She's fucking something out of GTA, innit? She just needs some advice. Alright, I'll give your missus some advice. A bit of advice for your missus. Stop being such a rotter, for a start. Step in that shower, because God ain't it seen her. It has not seen her. What else does she need to do? She needs to improve her diet, because she's eating grease and she's getting grease and crap and rubbish. Like, bro, what does she expect her to smell good? All she does is eat burgers, bro. I've been with your missus before and she goes in KFC and gets the fucking big stack burger. You know, the one with the hash brown in it and the cheese. Like, bro, just have a chicken burger, have a zinger burger, but she won't. Every time she goes in, she feels the need to get the one with the hash brown. You go in the cafe with her for a morning, do you know what I mean? Most girls have a little I don't know, a little avocado on toast or something like this. Your missus has a full English and a full Irish. She has the black and red pudding as well. Like, she's just a dirty girl, mate. You need to tell her to improve that diet, get in the shower, change her haircut, and also change her name if her name's Billy Lou, because fuck me, is that terrible. Anyway, that's just a bit of advice, boys, to Tricky. So if you need any advice, if you need any more advice, then yeah, just drop your comments in and I'll try and help you. Of course, we'll have a look. EG's short was all I liked, but I didn't like the PA interaction with the DTO prior the last few. Let's have a look at EG. Yeah, just come short of it. Lou needs to come off socials. I hope this cheered the mood, boys. Love, bro. I appreciate you. Lou needs to come off socials today. Bro, it's just been a terrible day, bro. I'll be real. Not the best marketing, bro. Bro, if you think it's not the best marketing, you see what TJR does, bro. TJR is like insane, and all the comments are like, this is my mentor. How do I explain to people this is my mentor? Oh, mate, tell me that's not the cringiest comments you boys have ever seen on socials. There'll be a video of TJR going like, and all the comments will be, how do I tell people this is my mentor? Oh my god, this is the guy getting me rich. Oh my god, this is my mentor, by the way, guys, and he does stupid shit. Oh my god. Like, bro, take a fucking day off. People love... Social media now is just people acting stupid, bro. It's literally all it is. TJR does the best because he's an idiot. Speed does the best because he's an idiot. Try to point me someone out who's the best at what they do that's not just an idiot. KSI is the best because he's an idiot. Logan Paul, an idiot. Anyone who's not an idiot is not blown. I'll be real. It's the same comments over and over. What do you mean, bro? TJR, yeah. Yeah, like just some proper weird stuff he talks about. Don't ask for advice, trust me. Bro's woke up on the wrong side of bed today. Bro, trust me. We're in a bullish 15-minute, I don't know. Today's price action is risky and confusing. Yeah, bro, it's just because EU and GU's underlined. In terms of EG, it did have a nice sell off the Daily True Open, but he lost it. TJR. Don't be like the guy, you know. Trust. Trust me, bro. The DTO move was quite nice here. We did move above onto the Daily True Open, then move down again, but nothing really much. Streamers are streamers. Trust me, bro. So yeah, to be fair, all streamers are pretty dumb. I'm closing the stream. I'll be honest, I can't listen to these piss poor songs either. I'm putting on a good song and I don't give a shit about the copyright strike. Get monetized about 50p from this stream anyway, who gives a toss? And I don't want to hear the nice one either. Sweet sesame. Lou, did you take an L today? Nah, bro, I ain't had any trades. It's just one of them mornings, bruv. You know when everything just goes so shit? You know when you wake up straight away to a shit text? Like the first thing you do when you open your eyes is a terrible text. And then everything you do after that is just L. I haven't taken a trade today. It's just been a shit morning, bro. Shit. Can't even smoke that, bro. Like this, like the stream, boys. 4-door truck. Hopefully we can keep on this retracement. I took an L today on EU. I was bare confident about it.
Beefing with these cowards and neeks. 3 hours of sleep and I ain't showered in weeks. I'm on my grind, baby. Robberies or selling packs. Mummy went through hell and back. I love you with my heart, and I don't ever tell you that. I'm on my grind, I can't afford to stay, but I'm only one phone call away. The preaching bell. I need grub, I need skills. I'm pissed off that he's in jail. Plus I lost
Dog lighting me up. Wait. Lou, sometimes you just gotta go have a. Okay. You've been seeing a bird or something. No, not even that, bro. Not even that. Not even that. I ain't showered in weeks. Only thing I can relate to. Fucking hell. By the law, but she's a dirty gal. And I can never trust you again. And J Huss unattractive. Man upon a fat split and get. I took an L today on EU. I was bare confident about it being bullish after hitting the order block. Unlucky, bro. It's been good Asian liquidity every other day, so I just don't know what your confirmation would have been, or where the order block was, to be fair. You want to wait for a decent inversion or a decent change of character, really. Because every time I pull out, it's stank the air. Oh, bro, please. I love you, Lou. You're funny. Appreciate that, mate. Appreciate that. Can you just show your love by stop talking about your birds? Oh, it's making me oh, making me gag even thinking about it. Fuck's sake, Trump needs to shut his trap. What's he said? Where can we watch him speak? Let's watch him speak. Let's watch this donut speak. Someone comments. Someone link it in the comments, man. Someone link it in the comments. GU shorts once we retrace up, but even that is just not even a great move because this laptop is boiling, roasting hot, like roasting hot. It's gonna lag, boys. I'll be real. It's gonna lag for, yeah, it's gonna lag. Laptop is boiling. Hottest I've felt it, I think. I don't know why. No idea why. It's just my luck, ain't it? It's just my fucking luck. It's only been on for about an hour. See what this geezer's got to say then.
She has, I'll answer. Well, maybe I better not say it. What was your question? What is your response to the Iranian foreign minister continuing to say Iran will enrich uranium and pursue nuclear weapons? Well, I don't know if they've said that, but I'll tell you the last thing they want to do is enrich anything right now. They want to recover. And we won't let that happen. Number one, militarily we won't. I think we'll end up having somewhat of a relationship with Iran. I see it. Look, I've had a relationship over the last 4 days. They agreed to the ceasefire.
Oh yeah, great fucking relationship that was, wasn't it? That was a great relationship.
But no, they won't.
It was like the relationship I had with my ex 2 weeks after we fucking broke up, mate. War, lad.
After all that, they're going to say, "Oh, let's go and do a bomb." You know, there could be a day in the future where, and then somebody
This
else.
is very serious. Let's go
our place
do a
will be
bomb.
Saying, "Don't do it," and maybe they won't do it as well. I don't know, but they're not going to have a bomb, and they're not going to enrich. And we believe all of the stuff is down there. We don't think they had nearly the time because to get that out is a very difficult thing. It's not like moving a package or taking this carpet up and moving it. It's very difficult. It's very dangerous.
Oh, okay. Highly enriching uranium is different from moving a carpet. Cheers.
Tremendous victory.
Holy shit, this guy.
And because of that, I don't think they would have.
Is he going to say anything or just like...
When they know we're coming, they're not going to be down in that, 30 stories underground. So, no, I think it was just a tremendous victory for everybody, including
This is
Iran.
live, bro.
They've got a country, and they've got oil, and they're very smart people, and they can come back. Israel got hit very hard, especially the last couple of days. Israel was hit really hard. Those ballistic missiles, boy, they took out a lot of buildings. And they've been great. Bibi Netanyahu should be very proud of himself. And they've really been great. But they're not going to be building bombs for a long time.
Mr. President, what's your reaction to the intelligence reports saying that the Iranian nuclear sites were only partially, not entirely?
Yeah, well, they said it was actually the report said it could have been they don't know. I mean, they did a report. I could have Pete talk to it because his department did the report. They really don't know. I think
He ain't going to say shit, bro. He's going to just chat bollocks like he always does. Alright, let's get back into the charts. Yeah, chat, let me know. I know a lot of people have left the stream since we watched that Trump thing. Jesus Christ, about 40 people. Not a big fan of Trump then in this stream. Jesus. Not a big Trump fan. About 50 man left when we was talking about it. Yeah, I'm not going to bother watching that because he's just a chat shit as always, doesn't he? I don't mind Trump, bro, but he's just like so. His speeches are pointless because he just like goes, "It was a really big bomb. It was a really great bomb. They're not gonna drop any more bombs," and then it just turns out to be bollocks. Like, chat, talk to me, bruv. Are you gonna trade this? Nah, bro. What country's Trump in right now? I think he's in America, bro. I'm sure he's in America. They was at some NATO summit yesterday, but I don't know if he's still there. Terms of news today. Only got that 3 PM news. I could change your character here. Interestingly enough, if we look at the close, it looks like we could be, again, not closing below. See, if it closes below, we'd see it as disrespected, but we haven't done that. I'm long. Where did you get in, bro? What are you expecting on EU? I'm expecting us just to continue down, bro, for a bit. If you look at it on the higher time frame, it looks like we're ready to break these lows. You can see we do sort of need a retracement, like a solid retracement, then a move up like that. If we're looking at it on a lower time frame perspective, we've got this imbalance here. So we'll see how we do off this imbalance. But to be honest, we filled it now. So we want to move up right now. If we go for another grab, I think we're just going to come lower. So yeah, I don't want to see us move like that. I don't think we're going to grab anything else. I think if you're in the belief that we're not going to break this low, then you should just get in buyers now. I don't think we're going to go for a grab again. We've already had that massively bearish move down on GU, which just didn't affect EU at all. I want to mark out this imbalance here. If we invert this, you could potentially get in. Potentially get in. If we invert that. GU obviously being unhelpful. And then you'll probably be looking for something like this.
I'm just prepping everyone. Are you ready, man?
Boys, if you're watching on TikTok, double tap the screen, boys, and share the live. Share the live to one of your pals. I'll be real, if you don't share the live to at least one of your pals, then let me think of the worst thing that could happen to you. Lagging too much, Lou. Can't make out what you're saying. Oh. I thought the voice don't lag. Is it that bad? Boys, watch on you. If it's too laggy on here, watch on YouTube, boys. Appreciate the likes, bro. Let's see if we closed above. It's fucking close. Right, it weren't above, so you can see it was just ever so slightly below. What's been the month-by-month return on your signals? We've been profitable 11 out of the 12 months that we've been going. So we've been going for over a year now. The reason why we don't update the actual results anymore is just because, I'll be real, it's just long. We did it for the first 12 months, and yeah, we documented, recorded every single result for 12 months in the signals, and we was profitable every single month, bar 1 month. 1 month we lost 1 RR. Every other month we came out profitable. I think our best month was like 18 RR, and on average we did like 8 RR. Most recently, so this week we're up, only a little bit up this month. I think about 4R that we're up, because it has been a harder market. But so we had a nice 4.5R on EG, and we also had a lovely 3RR yesterday. So we are about 7R up, but we've had some losers. So I'd say we're about 3-4, 3-4 in the blue, something like that. Are you in? Now, bro, we're waiting for a close above to confirm it first. Comments pop off. Comments pop off. Any questions you got, let me know. the corner, man. Clocked him too late. Now he had Duppy on his aura. Obviously, we've got a 15-minute here as well, but it's not. We've got another little inversion there, which you could look to target, but for me, I prefer the 5-minute because actual imbalance. So, like, I know imbalance is just when you have a gap, but you really want to do it, for example, on this 5-minute when you've actually got a distribution candle. You've got a solid distribution candle. False on GJ. I'll get into GJ in a sec, bro. Let's wait for this one first. What pairs? It says down here, bro. This is EU. Euro USD. Double tap the screen, boys. Get 15k likes on here, team. His mother saved you and crush through. Bruh, go away, mate. Are you entering this, bro? If we close above, I will, bro. If you want to know the actual levels and stuff, you can go to my YouTube or go to my Discord, boys. I'm live on YouTube. What's your TikTok? Go to my Discord, bro. It's linked there. I said go to announcements. I link my YouTube and my TikTok. This is why you should get in the Discord, boys, because you can see where I'm live. Because sometimes it will be different every day. I'm always live on the same YouTube, but obviously the TikTok swap about. You're biased right now. Yeah, bro, it is. It is. So yeah, if you go to the announcement section, got the TikTok link and the YouTube link there, boys. Did this close above? No, we didn't. Didn't close above again on the 5-minute. Yeah, my bias is bias right now. I can't find it. Yeah, it's linked there, Andre. Yeah, we want to close above for this fair value gap to be disrespected. Had a rough one yesterday with my flip account. Unlucky, bro. I'm just wary on TP. Asia High, there's always a lot of liquidity out. If you want to have a lower TP, you can have it down here. Around 2 to 1. Around the daily tropen. Daily tropen is obviously here. Start of this candle. I'm going to just draw it out because for some reason the indicator's not showing it. Don't know why. It's not. Of course. Of course it's not. Of course it's not. So the daily tropen's here. It's actually really low down. So yeah, you'd be looking to close around about that point. If you don't want to aim for the Asia high, that's the only other point that we can solidly say is gonna be. Market's so slow, trust me, bro. Morning, Harry. How you doing, bro? The daily true open. Daily true open, so it's the 5 a.m. time. It's 5 a.m. London time, 12 o'clock New York time. It's an algorithmic reference point for premium and discount. Yeah, we had a lovely one yesterday, boys. If you want to see the trade I had yesterday, I just did a case study on my YouTube. We made 3% yesterday, all on live. So yeah, go over to my YouTube and you can fucking see a breakdown on that, boys. Told you exactly my strategy, step by step by step. Got it, thank you. I know I'm bringing my face bare close to read the comments, but it's the only way. Let's see if we close above. Yeah, the markets are bare slow right now. Are you still here on YouTube, boys? Say yo if you're here. I think we should be... Okay, my laptop's still bare hot. What's your YouTube? It says there, bro. Rich SFX. It does say there. Oh, a lot of these new gens, man. Tunde, bro. Looks like we are going to get that close above. It's 15 minutes as well. Let's look at GU. Let's have a look on the 5 minute of this. Obviously there's no imbalance to be fair on here, because to be fair, if you look at this, we took this 2 minute, tapped in and ran. One in the nose, booger, I put my finger on Alan Sugar. Excuse me. Don't be stupid. Shot like Cupid. You can't no DM, GM, teeth in the stick, toothpick. Don't be stupid. Fire in a booth. I can show you about riding. I ain't getting up, jump out. If I'm in the CAR, no VAR, I done not foul, look. Fantastic. Plastic, wrap my more in elastic. I'm like an English tutor. Bruce, who's the delinquent shooter? Alright boys, I've got a couple of levels that I'm going to send into the signals group. So if you want to get in the signals group, boys, send me a message. Sending these in now, boys, if you're in the signals.
We got it again, yeah? Go on. Final lap. Straight comes the church, bro. Listen, I just got off the phone. It was bro, he on a prison phone. And he ain't a joker, he a villain though. I sit and think, Naji, I sit and smoke, feeling low. Got to see my bro, I gotta get a ticket, yo. Imagine how I'm feeling, though. Then my flipping bros, fucking hell, I miss them loads. Why you think I drink all this Hennessy and I'm pipping loads? I just got a whap, I got a different pole. I gotta watch my back, I done a lot of crap. I robbed niggas, chopped niggas, and I got them whacked. If I pull out the strap back, it slap, rat attack.
Black on black. Reciprocate. Have you entered? Not yet, bro. How do you know? How do your signals work? Do you just post ideas and levels? Specific. Specific entry, SL and TP, bro. And trade management as well. So like stop loss at break even. You know me in it how I trade. I'll be like, oh, we've broken. Like you know how I trade in it. So I just update you how I'd normally update anyone in it. So I'd say, for example, on this one, let's say we're in a long or whatever, I'd say cool, or we broke this, I'd say cool, we've now had a break of structure, so we're currently 2R up, so think about securing partials or holding, whatever, etc. But yeah, I give the exact levels, you know, if you see on the left of the screenshot, it's got, or you man can't see because I hide it, but it does say.
Let me show you real life. My bro's innocent.
You got a life sentence.
Imagine what that feels like. Nah, that don't feel right. But he just took it on the chin. He the real type. Kept his lips still tight. Damn. I'm sick of this shit.
Sitting in my cell, I can't help but think I'm bigger than this. Fill up my spliff. Market so slow. Yo, what you saying, Ben? What you saying, I Trap? What you saying, Drift King? Big up the boys that are still in here, man. Chat, stay active, boys. Stay active, stay active. ESG's gonna cook. Are you in? Hi, what time do you, am I in? Nah, bro, none of these have actually tapped in yet, bro. EG's gonna cook. I'll have a look at EG after this. I've seen a few people talk about it. Hi, what time do you start this live session and what days, please? So I'm live every single day, Monday to Friday at 8 AM. Yeah, every day around 8, 8:30, depending on how the market's looking. I should really jump on at 8 every day, but sometimes if the market's just not looking good, I'll just jump on a little bit later. But yeah, be there at 8 every day. So I go live at 8, and then you got Mace, who goes live for the New York session. So I go live for London, Mace goes live for New York. I message YG, sweet. More in the gates for your all of my mates. Alhamdulillah.
She tried her best. I give thanks to my Marge. Used to hide wax in the park.
Let me do a poll on my YouTube. If you're religious, happy face. Sad face if you're not. If you believe in God, happy face. If you don't believe in God, sad face. Alright, I'm gonna do a poll, boys. Happy face if you believe in God, sad face if you don't. Let's see what people are saying. Weirds I want in. Wait, what? I messaged the IG. Sweet, bro. What are your targets for EU, bro? My target for EU, bro, would be the Asia High. Oh, bro, come on. Would be the Asia High. Are we going to come down now? We've moved quite a little bit away from it now. 8 pips. The problem is, so what we obviously look for is a close above, then a retest. We closed literally just below, like one tiny bit below. I don't know if you can even tell on the stream, but... And then obviously retap. So normally, had that been 1 pip up, that would have been our entry. And we'd have been tagged in there at the 50%. And we'd be running up now laughing. But obviously it's that tiny little difference, because you can see we didn't quite close above. And you got to be really specific with these. But you can see that now, look. Just. Shoot, TAP. That's where the teammates be. Some of them got luck, but some of them turn into THC. Me, I'm getting... Want this to retrace a bit as well. How much do we need to come down? Alright, I can't lie. You man spammed the right side. You man on the right side. Are you waiting for a retest? Yeah, bro. Are you in a buy right now or plan to? Just plan to, bro. GU, sorry, your connection. Wait, what's wrong with my connection, bro? You can see. How do you trade? But I trade Asia Liquidity Grab. I trade it live every single day. I'm also live on YouTube, so you can go back to my YouTube channel, bro, and rewind any of the days prior that I've been trading, and you can see my results, see that I am profitable. Obviously, TikTok, you can't rewind it, but I stream on YouTube as well, so you can go on the channel. My Instagram and my YouTube's there, boys, and my Discord's there. What a tune. Bro, no cap, that lemon's actually made me feel better, bro. That lime's actually made me feel better, I can't even lie. I ain't even lying. I was in such a bad mood. I still sort of am, but it made me feel way better. Let's get 50 man in here, boys. Carry on double tapping the screen chat. Carry on pushing. Carry on following. Straight back to the wing. Put in a box. It's a myth. Waiting for a close above. Okay, it's a bit loud. Would be nice EU to tap in. Trust me. Waiting on a close above the 5-minute high for a change of character, then retrace into the IFG. Yeah, exact same, bro. Just watch your recent strat and backtested it over the past few days just to learn it, bro. Bro, it's fire, thanks. Gotta do some more testing for sure. Lovely WBS, lovely, bro. For anyone on this TikTok as well who don't know what he's talking about, yesterday on live, I caught a 3RR in front of everyone, textbook trade for my strategy. And people was asking about the strategy, so I recorded a video breaking down exactly what my strategy is, and I've put it on my YouTube. So if you go to Riches Effects on YouTube, you'll be able to see my whole strategy broken down, boys. As I said, I did it all live. I even have this. If you go on the video, I have the screenshots of showing that it was live. I mean, if you was here yesterday, you'd know anyway, but do you know what I mean? He's 9mm Lugas. Well done, boys. You're all on the right side with them smileys. I can't lie. Big up everyone. LOL, I'm fucking dead just like when. We are reaching midnight open on EU. Yeah, my indicator's just lagged it out. To be fair, it does it when you've had a new candle open, innit? Yeah. I like that tap of the DTO there. You can see we tapped it and then rejected. Oh yeah, EU you're talking about. Yeah, EU's coming up to it now. So hopefully we can retrace before we get there. We've got this big bit of imbalance like to fill. So we should come at least up to here. So hopefully we can tap us in first so we can get a bit of profit on the way. Hopefully you man can see sort of what we're going for here. We call this inducement, which is where early buyers are going to get in, but that we hope they're going to be stopped out. So we call that inducement right there. Why is the YouTube stream like 30 seconds behind TikTok? Because it's just how it works, bro. Just how YouTube and TikTok works. TikTok's like one of the most up-to-date like streaming platforms, innit? Everything else is a bit laggy. Like Twitch is like a minute behind, Kick's like a minute and 10. YouTube's 30 seconds, Instagram's like 20 seconds, TikTok's like 10 seconds. It's quite good. If I missed any of your comments, boys, just bang them in again. Appreciate the gift, bro. Are you in already? Nah, bro, we're waiting. This is called an order limit. So for those of you that don't know, we mainly trade with order limits, which are a lot better, especially if you're working a job. What it means is rather than entering straight, and we go on our phone and enter straight right now, we set a limit. So we've got our price there on the right, we've got our prices there. This is our entry, stop loss TP. And what we do is we'll type our entry in, where we want to enter, type our stop loss in, and then type our TP in. And when the price comes down and taps us in, it will automatically enter us, which means at work, if you see this trade, for example, I send it into my group or whatever and you see it, it means you can type it onto your phone when it comes through and then put your phone away and you haven't got to worry about looking at it. So yeah, it's a really good way, well, it's a lot better way to trade if you are working. Why don't you trade NQ or futures for EU? It'll be 30. I trade London session, bro. I just cooked the London session. I'm probably one of the best London session. Well, I'm the best London session trader on this app. Well, I don't know actually. We might have like some mythical Wall Street trader on this app, but things you hate to see. Things you absolutely hate to see. Oh, boys. Comparing EU and GU right now, which one would you pick to trade? I would have picked GU, bro. GU. Which indicator do you use for kill zones? I'm new here. I use this indicator, bro. The Richess one. Richess effects. It's not actually on the store, so you have to get in my Discord for it, and I'll send it to you. I don't know why. It just doesn't let you list it on the store, which is kind of bullshit. But yeah, I'll send it to you, boys. 6EX is the real. Wait, what? I don't know what the fuck. Take away that when you type it in. Oh, cool. I'll have a look in a sec, bro. Let me just see if this comes down, because we are coming down a bit. Boys, double tap the screen, team. Rise up. Everyone drop a follow. Everyone like. We've got 50 man in here. Let's push this to 100. Let's push this shit to 100, boys. Let me know what you want me to post on my YouTube later. I'm going to be dropping another vid. I'm dropping vids every other day on YouTube, man. Every other day, and I'm streaming every day, boys. The work rate's insane. Join the team. Join the gang. Get in the Discord there, boys, so you can stay up to date with what we're doing. We're going to be cooking everyone this summer, I'll be honest. We're going to be deep fat frying everyone. Oh, we need trades ATM. Not right now, bro. Longevity. China is just better tech-wise. Yeah, yes, facts. Comparing EU and GU right now, which one will you? And oh yeah, EG boss. Now, Lou, you could have easily made. You could easily have up a Wall Street trader. Are you mad? Yeah, no, I know, bro. 100%, bro. I'll be real. That's facts. I could be on Wall Street if I wanted, but there's no need. There's no need to be on Wall Street. That's the beauty of trading nowadays. There's no need to go through the conventional route. All you need now is your laptop on your phone, Wi-Fi, and a brain in your shoulders or in your head. Well, that'd be a bit weird. Brain on your shoulders, just no head, just a fucking brain on top of your neck. EU momentum looks like shorts now. Let's have a look. We've had that inversion, bro. So we had that bearish leg. We've said a breaker structure, and we've disrespected the fair value gap. So we're expecting us to come back in and move like that. When we disrespect a fair value gap, it flips. So this one, where we disrespected this bearish fair value gap, it flips. So it now becomes a bullish one, essentially. Alright, nice. We've taken that inversion. Let's hope we can come lower now too. Come on now. What you saying, Nick? Gold on me like on Catsley. Yeah, that is a tune, bro. Gold on me like on Catsley. Oh. You're going like I'm going on FVG, bro. That's what I'm looking for, bro. You see 6E, that close above you is looking for is actually visible. Oh. Ah. It actually won, but yeah, I hear what you're saying. I'm not sure. I want to go back quickly because we're right. Jesus. By the way, boys, your stop loss is very fucking tight. So only take this if you're a risk averse gangster. Yeah, the stop loss is very tight. You can add it like a little bit lower. You can have it 3-4 pips. Alright, you can have it 3, you can have it 4. I've just got it below this imbalance here. But yeah, if you think this order block's potentially going to get hit, then yeah, you can have your stop there. But I'm more just trusting the fair value. Let's have a look at EU as well. EU's coming down. Hopefully you can come down to our level and not just some random fucking... Go on 15. We do have a 15-minute fair value gap here. Oh yeah, EG. I forgot EG. I'll probably change it to that, to be fair. EG flying. Who's in on EG? Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, the stop loss was like 2 pips, so I'm pretty sure this one's already cooked. I don't actually know, I can't remember. I think it is cooked though, boys. Yeah, I think this one's been cooked. Yeah, that was the entry. So that one's stop loss. Let's wait for this. Should have gone off this imbalance. Ah, stupid of me. Stupid. We got this imbalance here clearly, man. I didn't even check the 1 minute. Didn't even check it. Didn't even check the 1 minute once, boys. What am I thinking, bro? What am I thinking? Yeah, that's terrible from me. I didn't even check the 1 minute time frame. I just checked the 2. Is what it is though, boys. I'll be real. It's a fucking 2 pip trade, so it's like, do you know what I mean? It doesn't really matter anyway. But still, I should have checked the 2 minute there. I mean, the 1 minute. Is what it is though. We'll wait for the EU. Oh, fuck off. Shortening it again, bro. Piss off. Let's just wait for EU then, because GU is obviously way too tight of a stop. Can you resend the EU to Discord? Yeah, no worries. Mental one back. Nasty, bro. Trust me. Trust. EG, DTO, shorts. EG. Everyone's spamming EG in the chat, but no one's telling me what. All I'm hearing is DTO, shorts. Like, what are you guys actually looking for? You can't... Do you know what I mean? Like, what are you guys actually looking for? Because I'm not seeing a single potential trade on EG. Not one that I'd even think twice about taking. So you boys need to help me out here. Check trading floor. Oh, fuming. Unlucky, Dill. Missed your entry by a tiny bit. Unlucky. Unlucky, mate. Are you going to wait till it hits the equilibrium? Yeah, bro, the 50% level. We are outside of the kill zone now, though, boys. I trade 7 AM to 10, and we are outside of that time now, so... Let's get rid of that now. It's going to be that 1 minute. I should have seen it coming. Should have seen it coming, boys. It's blatantly going to be that 1 minute, weren't it? But, yeah, is what it is. Is what it is, chat. Is what it is. We've got to firm it, to be fair. Nothing you can do. EG's close. I mean, EU's close, but not really tapping in just yet. Yeah, boys, I'm probably going to jump off now anyway. We're outside of the kill zone. I trade from 7 to 10 every day. And then I get out. Yeah, boys, I'm going to jump off now. Appreciate you tuning in, boys. I'll be live tomorrow. And Mace will be live for the New York session. Make sure you go to my YouTube to watch my videos. I'll be real, it's not the best day today. It was actually really shit, to be fair. The markets were just terrible. Weren't giving us any entries, really. But yesterday was really good, and the day before was really good. So we can't really be too mad. Where you can expect one bad day, 2 good days, 1 bad day. That's fine. That's beautiful, really. So we'll firm it. We'll take it on the chin. And we'll be back tomorrow, boys. Mace will be live at 1:30 for the New York session. And obviously, I'll be back live tomorrow. Can you check your Discord DMs? No worries, bro. Yeah, send me a DM, boys, if you need any questions. And I'll catch you in the next one, boys. My Instagram's there, my YouTube's there, and the Discord's there. So take a screenshot now and get in, boys. Appreciate you tuning in. And I'll catch you in the next one. Sweet. Alright, boys, appreciate you tuning in, man. And I'm going to catch you in the next fucking video. I mean, live stream. In the next stream. Alright, boys, big up for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one. Sweet.